Well, this is new, Mr. Butler. A whole fish for me to ravage. Whoa! It's still alive! What in the blazes? Oh my goodness, it's attacking my derriere! Good sir, since when do you make me kill my own food? Not this time, you little floppy fish. I shall have my revenge. All right, come now. Just relent to your Royal Highness. I can't believe it's still alive. Quite a hardy little specimen, isn't it? I'll just have to lull it into a false sense of security. Ah, now's my chance. Finally, it's relented. Lovely. Whoa! It played possum! Either that or it's a zombie fish. Nevertheless, this is below princess duties, Mr. Butler.